Hey everyone, today we're diving into 2x2 systems of equations. While a regular equation gives us a single solution for one variable, a 2x2 system involves two equations with two variables. This means we're not just looking for one answer, but a pair of values that make both equations true simultaneously. In this video, I want to show you three powerful methods to solve these systems. To break down each method step by step, we're looking at the system written above. The first method is the substitution method. The first step in this method is to solve one of the equations for x or for y. In this case, the easiest way to do that is to solve the first equation for y. So we get y is equal to 5 minus x. In the next step, we substitute this solution into the second equation. Now we have 2x minus 5 minus x is equal to 4. Now we solve this for x. 2x plus x is 3x. So 3x minus 5 is equal to 4. Now we add 5 on both sides. So 3x is equal to 9. And now divide by 3. So x is equal to 3. Lastly, we substitute x is equal to 3 back into y is equal to 5 minus x. So y is equal to 5 minus 3, which means y is equal to 2. So the solution to the system is xy is equal to 3 and 2. So that was the substitution method. Now we move on to the equalization method. We use again the same system as before. The first step in this method is to solve both equations for the same variable. This can be y or x, or even 2x or 2y, etc. In our case, y is the easiest option, so we solve both equations for y. For the first equation, we once again get y is equal to 5 minus x, and for the second equation, we get y is equal to 2x minus 4. Now we can set the two expressions for y equal, so 5 minus x is equal to 2x minus 4. And again, we want to solve for x. We can add x on both sides, and we can add 4 on both sides, and we get 9 is equal to 3x. Now we divide by 3, and again, x is equal to 3. Again, like in the first method, we substitute x is equal to 3 back into y is equal to 5 minus x. So again, we get y is equal to 2. So, of course, we have the same solution as before, xy is equal to 3 and 2. The third method is the addition method. We again use the same system like before. The basic idea of this method is to add the two equations so that we can eliminate one of the two variables. By doing so, we get 3x is equal to 9, so we have no more y in our equation. And again, we can solve this for x, and we get x is equal to 3. Now we substitute this solution back into one of the two equations. If we do that for the first equation, we get 3 plus y is equal to 5. Now we subtract 3 on both sides, and we get y is equal to 2. And again, our solution for the system xy is equal to 3 and 2. Each of these methods is valuable depending on the form of the equation and your personal preference. Practice makes perfect, so try using each method on different systems of equations to see which works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more math content. Thanks for watching, goodbye.